Cooking utensils. Do you know who I am? I'm a whisk. Do you recognize me? I'm a frying pan. Do I look familiar to you? I'm an ice cream scoop. Have you seen me before? I'm a measuring cup. Do you know who I am? I'm a spatula. Do you recognize me? I'm a butter knife. Do I look familiar to you? I'm a wooden spoon. Have you seen me before? I'm a baking sheet. Do you know who I am? I'm a pastry brush. Do you recognize me? I'm a potato masher. Do I look familiar to you? I'm an oven mitt. Have you seen me before? I'm a peeler. Do you know who I am? I'm a cookie cutter. Do you recognize me? I'm a cheese grater. Do I look familiar to you? I'm a ladle. Have you seen me before? I'm a can opener. Do you know who I am? I'm a blender. Do you recognize me? I'm a garlic press. Do I look familiar to you? I'm a rolling pin. Have you seen me before? I'm a spaghetti server. Do you know who I am? I'm a chef's knife. Do you recognize me? I'm plastic wrap. Do I look familiar to you? I'm a toaster. Have you seen me before? I'm tongs. Do you know who I am? I'm an egg carton. Do you recognize me? I'm a colander. Do I look familiar to you? I'm a milk frother. Have you seen me before? I'm a measuring spoon. Do you know who I am? I'm a muffin tin. Do you recognize me? I'm a pizza cutter. Do I look familiar to you? I'm a double boiler. Have you seen me before? I'm a stock pot. Do you know who I am? I'm rice cooker. Do you recognize me? I'm a cake tin. Do I look familiar to you? I'm an electric mixer. Have you seen me before? I'm an apron. Do you know who I am? I'm a juicer. Do you recognize me? I'm a cookie jar. Do I look familiar to you? I'm a bread machine. Have you seen me before? I'm a microwave-safe bowl. Do you know who I am? I'm a kitchen scale. Do you recognize me? I'm a salad spinner. Do I look familiar to you? I'm a baster. Have you seen me before? I'm a mixing bowl. Do you know who I am? I'm a citrus squeezer. Do you recognize me? I'm a cutting board. Do I look familiar to you? I'm a soup ladle. Have you seen me before? I'm a tea kettle. Do you know who I am? I'm a pastry blender. Do you recognize me? I'm a waffle iron. Did you enjoy learning about these cooking utensils? Explore more exciting videos on our channel and be sure to subscribe for lots more fun. Until next time, see ya!